Okay, today we will do English literature. The English literature will carry about 20 marks in this final exam. And there is two book. So first book is Footprints Without Feet, and second one is your First Flight. The Footprints Without Feet has a 4 chapter. Means in this final exam you have to read these four chapters: The Making of Scientist, The Necklace, third one is your Hack Driver, and fourth one is your Bholi. Today we will read this chapter, The Hack Driver. The Hack Driver is written by a Sinclair Lewis. Its characters are the author, who is the junior assistant in law firm. Second one is your Oliver Lutkins, a man who was served summon. Third one is your Bill Magnuson, the hack driver. Fourth one is Fritz Socktown. Fifth one is Gustav Socktown, and sixth one is your Gray Barber. These three, 1, 2 and 3, are the main characters of this story. The author with a junior assistant in law firm. Second one is your Oliver Lutkins, whom the summon was being served by the author or junior assistant. And third one is your Bill Magnuson. Bill Magnuson and Oliver Lutkins are same people. Both are same. Only the difference is their name. Bill Magnuson, Oliver Lutkins. So, the whole story is being characterized or circled between these three: the author, who is a junior assistant in law firm, the Oliver Lutkins, and the Bill Magnuson. So don't be confused. Oliver Lutkins and Bill Magnuson both are the same person. Okay, we will go through the summary of this chapter. The Hack Driver is written by the American novelist Sinclair Lewis. Sinclair Lewis is an American novelist, and this Hack Driver is an amusing story of a young lawyer who is very innocent. A young lawyer who is very innocent. Young lawyer is this, who is working as junior assistant in a law firm. His work is to serve summon to the people. So, he is being sent to a city, a village, New Million, to serve someone to Oliver Lutkins. When the author, means a junior assistant, reach New Million railway station, he meet a carriage driver, a hack driver. Okay, the hack driver named Bill Magnuson. So he saw Bill Magnuson and saw that he wear a dirty clothes, a tear clothes. After seeing him, when the junior assistant asked him about the Oliver Lutkins, the head driver cleverly said that he knows Oliver Lutkins very well and told that he will help him to find the Oliver Lutkins. Okay, understand? The hack driver takes the junior assistant various places in search of Oliver Lutkins. But the author was unable to find Oliver Lutkins. Instead of that, this hack driver makes so much money from the junior assistant in turn to find this man, Oliver Lutkins. At last, when the author junior assistant was unable to find Oliver Lutkins, he gone back to city where his boss said him that you are not doing any work and sent the junior assistant with one more colleague, the colleague who knows this Oliver Lutkins very well. When next day the junior assistant and his colleague reached New Mullion, there the junior assistant saw Bill Magnuson. The junior assistant was delighted to see Bill Magnuson because he knows that finding Oliver Lutkins, the Bill Magnuson was done so much help. But when his colleague suddenly said that the Bill Magnuson, the hack driver, is Oliver Lutkins, he got stunned. The junior assistant was stunned and he felt ashamed of himself. All other men were laughing upon him, but only junior assistant